Today's homemade stretch mark scrub relies on raw sugar and shea butter, and I consider it one of the best ways for how to get rid of stretch marks, or at least reduce the signs of stretch marks. It's easy to make and can be used several times a week for best results. Today's video will discuss how to make homemade stretch marks scrub.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
Key ingredients: sugar. While you want to use a softer sugar for a facial homemade sugar scrub, or coarser brown sugar like raw cane sugar, turbinado sugar, or natural brown sugar works well for a DIY stretch mark scrub. Fractionated coconut oil. All coconut oil can work wonder for your skin, but a fractionated coconut oil can work even better for DIY recipes, as it mixes well with other ingredients, easily penetrates the skin and will moisturize without clogging pores. Raw shea butter, full of all natural vitamin A, 100% pure, unrefined raw shea butter can improve numerous skin conditions such as blemishes and wrinkles, stretch mark prevention during pregnancy, muscular fatigue, dermatitis, and radiation treatment for certain medical problems. It's also been shown in studies to even boost collagen production. Vitamin E oil, as both a nutrient and antioxidant with a history of use in dermatology for over 50 years. Vitamin E oil can benefit a number of common skin conditions including burns, scars, and wounds. Essential oil using lavender oil topically can help improve a number of skin conditions including stretch marks, acne, and age spots. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help ease skin conditions and help reverse signs of aging. How to make a homemade stretch mark scrub. Ingredients: half cup organic raw cane sugar, 1/4 cup fractionated coconut oil, 1 tablespoon raw shea butter, half teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 5 drops of lavender essential oil, 1 teaspoon organic lemon juice or 3 drops of lemon essential oil. Instructions: mix all ingredients in a small bowl until for smoother results, place in a pan on very low heat. Stir it until smooth. Place ingredients in a glass jar or container with a lid. Rub an affected area 2 to 3 times per week, such as during a shower. Notes: after showering and patting the area dry, apply a DIY stretch mark cream to give your skin the best chance to become blemish free. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.